Howdy Patreon supporters. I am super excited for our very first Patreon Zoom workshop on Saturday, February 1st at 12 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be a really exciting hour of sharing my tips and tricks I've learned in these 7 years of doing VanLife Travel on how to store things, how to stay organized, how to rethink storage and being organized. We're going to do some exercises. We're going to show you some demos, and I'm going to give you some tours of the inside of the van and exterior on how I've learned to store things and be more organized. There's a few homework items I need to ask you to do though. And that is, for your homework, if you can bring an example of an organizing issue you are experiencing or have experienced, bring to the table one thing you really must learn during the workshop, and please bring some post-it notes or pieces of paper and a Sharpie or pen pencil to write down things as we go through these exercises. Let me show you just a couple examples of what I'm talking about for being organized and what we're going to be covering. Food storage, clothing storage, hanging items storage, being organized, maximizing every bit of space. We're talking about bin storage, bag storage. We're going to do some exercises, and every nook and cranny in the van is an opportunity to be organized. So get ready, Saturday, February 1st at 12 p.m. The Zoom link will be posted to the Patreon paying members on Saturday morning. All you need to do is just show up, bring your homework, and get ready to have some fun, and just come together as a community to learn better how we can do van life better. You probably have some great ideas I've never even thought of before. Last night I spent a couple hours reorganizing some of the stuff in the van, so this is top of mind for me, and I'm really eager for us to get together and share. If you're currently not a paying Patreon member, you can go to patreon.com/go small live large and sign up for a $3, $10, or $20 level, even for a single month. And then you can stop paying if you want. We want a really big community with some really great ideas and just a great day, workshop of van fellowship. RV organized. See you tomorrow.